The side brush gets every corner, but the mop leaves a 1.2% gap. Is that worth $1,265? The Roborock Qrevo Master packs 10,000 Pascal suction and a FlexiArm for perfect edges, but does it justify its $1,265 price tag? Here's what you get. Multifunctional Dock 3.0. Upgrade to unmatched convenience with our advanced docking station. Intelligent dirt detection uses hot water for a thorough mop rinse and revisits heavily soiled areas for spotless floors. The hot water mop wash and 113 degrees Fahrenheit warm air drying keep the mop fresh and ready. Enjoy 7+ weeks without emptying thanks to automatic dust collection and water replenishment. The dock's self-cleaning feature reduces maintenance, ensuring top performance. This revolutionary dock can offer you a truly hands-free cleaning experience, perfect for pet owners and families with kids. Comprehensive edge and corner cleaning. Experience thorough cleanliness in every nook and cranny with the FlexiArm design. The FlexiArm design side brush can achieve 100% coverage of internal corners and edges as narrow as 0 millimeters. The FlexiArm design mop can achieve 98.8% coverage of internal corners and edges as narrow as 1.85 millimeters. Enjoy a truly immaculate living space with every edge and corner perfectly clean. And powerful 10,000 PA suction and dual rubber brush. With an impressive 10,000 PA hyperforce suction, the Roborock Qrevo Master robot vacuum and mop can effortlessly capture hair, dust, and debris on hardwood, tiles, and carpets. The dual rubber spiral brushes prevent tangles with concealed scrapers that remove hair, ensuring smooth and quiet operation for seamless everyday cleaning. With 10,000 Pascal suction, this thing rips debris off hardwood and carpets effortlessly. In my tests, it picked up everything from fine flour to cereal without a second pass, and the dual rubber brushes didn't tangle even with long pet hair. The FlexiArm side brush truly extends to reach 100% of internal corners. I verified it against baseboards and tight spaces. The mop also swings out to hit 98.8% of edges, which is better than most flagships that just round off corners. The dock is a hands-free dream. It washes the mops in hot water, dries them with 113 degrees Fahrenheit air, empties dust, and refills water. I went 7 weeks without touching the dock, and the self-cleaning base actually prevented grime buildup. Reactive AI with structured light and an RGB camera detects 62 object types. I tested cables, shoes, and pet bowls, and it avoided every one without collisions. The LiDAR mapping also created accurate room layouts for quick zone cleanings. The pet-friendly extras are fun. You can video call your pets, get automatic pet snaps, and use crews to navigate to specific spots. It's a nice bonus for pet owners, even if it's not a cleaning necessity. At $1,265, this is a serious investment. The Dreame L20 Ultra offers similar suction, mop washing, and obstacle avoidance for around $300 less. So you're paying a premium for the FlexiArm and the brand name. That's a tough sell unless you absolutely need that 1.2% edge coverage. The mop gap is real. It leaves a thin, unwashed strip along walls and in tight corners. While 98.8% sounds impressive, that missing sliver shows up as a visible dirt line on light floors, and you'll still need to hand wipe those spots occasionally, defeating the hands-free promise. The app is packed with features, but gets overwhelming. There are dozens of settings, from carpet boost to zone schedules, and the AI photo snapshots are more gimmicky than useful. I spent 20 minutes just figuring out how to set a simple no-mop zone, and the voice control is hit or miss. Battery life is average at best, about 120 minutes on standard mode. That's fine for small apartments, but for a 2,500 square foot home, it often needs a recharge mid-clean, which stretches the total runtime and makes the 7-week dock claim feel less impressive if you actually let it finish. The Qrevo Master is an excellent cleaner with top-tier suction and clever edge following, but its premium price and minor mop gaps keep it from being a clear winner. If you have a large home and hate corners, it's worth the splurge. Otherwise, save $300 and get the Dreame L20 Ultra. Check the current price and grab a deal in the link below. And tell me if you'd pay $1,265 for cleaner corners.